Bitcoin is moving as predicted. In my immediate last video on the one-day chart, I told you that market is going to move upward, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now on the one-day chart. See this movement? I told you the market is going to approach the $30,000, and that's what we're seeing right now on the chart. What of BTC? What am I looking at? ETH, XRP, all of these and more into this analysis. Watch this very video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Right here on the BTC USD one-day chart, I told you that if the market break this very level of resistance, and the market is going to move up, and that is the exact same thing we are seeing right here in my immediate last video. Not only the immediate last video and other videos that I've been doing on this channel, I told you that market is going to move up after this breakout, and that is what we are seeing right now. Market is moving up. I am still expecting this market to move up, approaching this level of $30,000. This is what I am seeing paying attention to right now, guys. And I told you that a buy position would be a nice thing to do on the one-day chart right here. And I also said that you should pay attention to this very level on the chart, and that in as much as we are seeing the market create a high here, come back down, could not create a new low at this very point. Market move from here upward and then create a new high, higher than the previous high at this area, come back down again, could not create a new low lower than this very area, and the market is now at this very point with another new high higher than the previous high at this very area. What that means is that market is in an uptrend, and so therefore you should be paying attention to buying the market and not shorting on the one-day chart. And that is what we are seeing right now, guys. I am still expecting that this market move upward, approaching this very area we see a spike from of $30,000, and I'll be updating you on what to do when market reaches this very $30,000 level. And for you to begin to look for a short opportunity, this very trend line must be broken, because we can see a retracement from this area to this very point of support for market to move upward again. So for me, markets have to break on this level of support, okay, before we can now begin to look for short opportunity on the one-day chart BTC USDT. This is what I'm expecting. Sometimes technical analysis can be a little bit tedious, and you must be very dynamic to change your directional bias if what you are expecting in the market did not really play out. That is the exact same thing we see right here. Remember, I was talking about the market coming back down at this very point on the chart, and that market is going to come back down to this very area. Not only that, I also said that if market cross this very level of resistance, and that a buy position will be a nice idea. And once that breakout occur, I have to change my directional bias. That is one thing about trading. You have to change it in the direction of what the market is doing. Right here on BTC 4-hour chart, you see the market move all the way from here up to this very point. This market will not move any much longer upward, because from here to this area is a significant move in the market. Just like we see the market move from here to this very area, don't expect that very aggressive move as you see from this area to this very point before that very drop. Don't expect that same aggressive move right here. Market is going to move a little bit upward and then begin to retreat. So right now is not the right time to buy for BTC USDT, specifically for the 4-hour chart. And from this area of $30,000 at this very point, and where the market is right now, retracement is going to occur within this area. So from here, market is going to retrace, and that retracement is going to make the market to move back up again. So right now, wait for the market to retrace, because that is what is going to happen in the market. Market is going to move a little bit and then come back down from this very region. And what you should be paying attention to from this area is bearish presence. So what that also means is that if you take a buy position from here, remember I talk about the market breakout, and that if market breakout on this very area of consolidation, and that market is going to move up. If you want to find that out, watch this very video on the channel. And right now, we see market breakout with this very candle, and it's moving to the upside. So if you did not take a trade after this breakout, there is no need taking a position right now, because the market has already moved significantly to the upside. And what I am expecting right now is retracement to come into the market from this very zone of important resistance to the downside. And I will update you guys on this channel as well. And if you look at ETH has moved considerably upward. I told you that market is going to move up for retracement, and from this very zone you see the market move up. Right now I am paying attention to this very area of resistance on the chart right here and this very zone. So I'm expecting this market to move a little bit into this area, then afterward we'll expect retracement to come into the market as well on ETH. So if you did not buy around this point, there is no need buying again on ETH USDT. Market is going to move a little bit upward and then come back down for retracement. This is what you need to pay attention to on ETH. And on XRP, I told you specifically that market is going to come into this area, and from here market is going to move up. You can watch this very video on the channel to confirm that out yourself. And that is exact same thing the market do right here. From this area, market begin to move upward with this parabolic move to the upside. If you look at XRP, market has moved upward. Isn't the right time to begin to look for buy position, because market can either consolidate within this area or retrace back down. So it's a period of waiting in the market for XRP. And not only that, market is at this very level of important resistance. So market move into this level of resistance and then come back right down. What you should be expecting right now is just a little move, and then market is going to come back down. So expect retracement on XRP, or you expect the market to consolidate before the next move to the upside, or market is going to retrace. After retracement, market is going to move to the upside as well. And I will be updating you as well on this very channel. ADA is not an exception. If you look at this very chart, I told you about this very important level. Market coming to this very level and begin to move upward. So if you have been following me on this channel, you can confirm that out in any of the videos on the channel right now. From this very zone, you see the market move up. The market move a little bit downward and then is moving up right now. It's not the right time to buy anyway, but market is going to buy later. So what you have to do is to wait, because this market is going to move a little bit into this zone. I am expecting the market to move into this very area of important resistance. A movement into this area, this is a very important area of resistance where market crash back down from. So market is going to enter into this level and then move back down again for retracement. So all you need to do right now is to wait. MATIC is not an exception. I was talking about the market moving from this very point on MATIC. We have a very important level of support. Market move upward, market come back down to the same level of support, it move up again and then come back to the same level, and market move upward again, as you can see right here. One thing about the market is that markets move in cycles. Markets move in cycles. You must understand that markets move with structure. So once you begin to understand structural formation in the market, trading will not be difficult for you. And right now, market is going to move upward, as you can see right here. I am expecting that this market will move into this very level of important resistance right at this very point. So from here, market should move into this area. Then from this zone, we expect the market to retrace before continuation to the upside. This is what I am specifically paying attention to on MATIC USDT for our chart. And this is what you should also watch for the market's next move. This is what I am expecting. What do you think about the market? on the 1-day chart. Do you think this market is going to move all the way into this level of $31,000 before we'll see the market begin to come back down? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis like this one for accurate market entry, check the description of this video here. Contact and reach out to me and enroll for the crypto trading course. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.